Martin Luther once said, "Forgiveness is God's command." In this play, we'll see how a simple virtue of not showing forgiveness leads to bitter repercussions. The scene opens in the office of a businesswoman, Miss Ruby. She is busy with her work when Manish, one of her most trusted employees, arrives to discuss an important matter. He had borrowed some money from Miss Ruby some time back on the pretext to pay for his child's education, but instead ends up spending all of it on useless things. He now finds it difficult to return the money. But even though Manish's expression shows genuine concern, it is far from the truth. Here's Mahesh entering Ruby Ma'am's cabin.
Yes, come in. Good morning. I'm fine, ma'am, and hope you are doing great too. Ma'am, how to tell you, ma'am? Ma'am, it's about, ma'am. How to tell you, ma'am? Ma'am, it's about the money, ma'am, I borrowed from you 2 months back, ma'am. Ma'am, I was not able to come up with all the money on due time, ma'am.
Come. That's all right, Manish. I have faith in you that you will indeed return the borrowed sum. However, Manish, if you don't mind me asking, why did you require such a large sum of money?
Ma'am, I require the money for my son's education, ma'am.
Yes, I can understand. Children's education are the integral part of life. Then, Manish, I have decided to waive out the money I had borrowed.
Really, ma'am? Are you telling the truth, ma'am? Really, ma'am?
Yes, what you have listened is absolutely right. You are free from the debt you owed.
Really, ma'am? Very much, ma'am. Very big thank you, ma'am. Really, ma'am. Very thank you, ma'am. Really, ma'am.
Manish turns around in awe and having thanked the lady, he exits the office and out into the street, still in disbelief for what had just occurred. Seemed no less than a miracle. As he gleefully and glibly walks down the street, his eyes catches upon Gagan, and as soon as he sees him, all of his expressions change in an instant.
Hey, Gagan!
Oh, Manish sir, nice to see you. How are you?
How am I? You are asking that to me?
What happened, sir? You seem angry. Is it something I did?
Yes. Where is the money you borrowed from me? Few months back, you said you are going to return it today.
Sorry, sir. Now I did have it. I bought them to buy medicine for my mother.
No, I'm not going to hear any of your excuses. If you want more time, then I'm giving you 2 days. Just 2 days, Gagan. I'm giving you just 2 days. Now, I'm warning you, mark that date on your calendar, and I promise you I'll be there to take my money. You just have 2 days.
Please, sir, please.
No, Gagan, just 2 days.
After this rather disheartening and depressing encounter with Manish, Gagan is pushed into a conundrum. But he pushes it aside so as to take care of much important matters and proceeds to the infirmary to get the medicines for his ailing mother. As Gagan is out buying medicine for his mother, at his home, his brother and sister are busy taking care of her. They keep wondering as to when Gagan will be back.
You will be fine, Mom. You will be fine. Hey, where is Gagan?
I don't know. He should have been here by now.
Gagan enters.
Oh, here's Gagan.
Hey, Gagan, have you bought the medicines?
Yes, I have.
They give her the medicine, and after having it, the mother is feeling a little bit better. They try to make jokes and make fun around her so as to cheer her up. Just a normal happy family. As all of this is happening, all of a sudden there is a loud thump on the door. Who could that be? Gagan stops his brother so as he could himself go and check it out. And as soon as he opens the door, he pushes down the goons and comes face to face with Gagan.
Hey, Gagan, where is the money you borrowed from me? Few months, I told you I'll be there to take my money. Now, where is my money?
Oh, Manish sir, I don't have it app or please sir, give me more time, please.
No, people like you are liars and are need to be taught a lesson. Goons!
Is that the gun?
Yes,
Beat him.
yes. Beat him.
Hey, please, don't beat my brother. He will die. Hey, someone help. They are beating my brother. Please, someone help. Hey, stop. I beg you, don't beat my brother. Please, don't beat my brother. Please have mercy on my son.
No, people like your son are liars and are need to be taught a lesson.
Please, sir,
This is what he deserves.
Please, sir, don't stop me.
Very good, beat him.
As all of this is transpiring, Gagan's friend happens to pass
him,
by
very good.
and witnesses what's happening.
Oh my God, what is happening here? Let me call the police.
He immediately
Hello,
calls the police.
hello.
This is the police station.
Beat him, very good.
Please, don't beat my brother. Please, help.
Very good, beat him. Very good. Beat him.
Please help me.
As all of this is happening, the police enters,
Please,
rushes into
don't
the
beat my
scene.
brother.
They chase away Mahesh.
Hello.
Take them away.
अबे कैसा निकलेगा? फंस गया भाई, निकल गया.
The goons are then brought into the police station for interrogation, where they are given the 5-star VIP treatment. Just like it should be. The goons try to be smart and try to play around with the police. But at the very end of the interrogation, one of the goons finally gives away Manish's name. After learning about the name, the police continue the investigation and the goons are placed into the lockup.
Hello.
Gagan's friend had already passed on the information of the incident to Shiny, Ruby ma'am's personal assistant. And as soon as she got the news, she straight away heads to Ruby ma'am's cabin and informs her about the misdeeds of Manish. And expected, she is visibly shocked and angry.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Shiny.
Ma'am, I have a shocking news for you.
What?
You remember Manish?
Yes. So?
He has taken money from you and wasn't able to return. How he was pleading. Now he's totally changed.
What happened to him?
A man called Gagan had borrowed some money and he had been beaten by goons.
What? How could he? That's extremely wrong.
He did not show any mercy. Gagan was beaten badly. He is in serious condition.
Poor fellow. Has he been taken to the hospital?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you just wait and watch what I'll do with Manish. Tomorrow, just send him to my cabin as soon as he comes. And Shiny, listen,
Yes, ma'am.
don't inform him about this.
Sure, ma'am. I won't tell him about it.
I'm not going to leave him.
Now, on the run from the police, Manish is looking for shelter and ends up running to his friend's house, Ankita, hoping that just like before, she might help him this time as well. But being an old friend, she knows what kind of a person Manish is. In comes Manish, running.
Hey Ankita, please help me Ankita. Please, Ankita, this is the last time,
What
Ankita.
have you done? Why do you need my help? So, I always wanted, but you never listen. You always wanted money.
Please, Ankita, this is the last time. Please help me,
Why you
Ankita.
amend your way?
Please, Ankita, please help me, Ankita, please.
No, not at all. I'm not going to help you this time. You deserve to be punished. Now just go away.
Please,
Don't
Ankita,
bother.
please. Ankita, please help me, Ankita. This is the last time.
Finding no help, Mahesh leaves. The next morning, Mahesh shows up to the office as if nothing has ever happened. As he walks across Shiny to his table, she calls him out.
Oh, hello, Shiny.
Ruby wants to meet you.
She wants to meet me. But why?
I don't know. You go and find out now.
But tell her, Shiny, why is she waiting for me?
I don't know, but she's anxiously waiting for you.
She's anxiously waiting for me. But Shiny, tell her, why is she waiting for me?
Oh, Mahesh. You go and find out now where she's waiting for you.
Tell her, Shiny, please.
Go and find out.
Knock, knock.
Yes?
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, Manish, come in.
Good morning, ma'am.
You know, Manish, I was anxiously waiting for you.
Yes, ma'am, but why, ma'am?
Actually, I have something to give you.
Ma'am, presents? No, ma'am, no more presents, ma'am. You have already done a lot for me, ma'am.
Yeah, it's a present that you will remember forever. It's a bumper one. You have to take it and seized.
Ma'am, if you are insisting this much, ma'am, then give, ma'am. Ma'am, why, ma'am? Ma'am, what did I do, ma'am?
What have you done? You asking me, Manish? Oh, that's really nice, Manish. Manish, you're behaving as if you don't know anything. How could you forget what I did for you? I excused you from paying back my money. But you couldn't forgive Gagan. How badly Gagan was beaten. Have you ever thought that you could be in the same situation, Manish?
Ma'am, please, ma'am, this is the
Don't
last
make
time,
me
ma'am.
to kick you,
Please,
Manish.
ma'am.
Stand up. I said stand up. Have the guts to accept your faults, Manish.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, this is the last time, ma'am.
Shiny.
Please, ma'am, forgive me, ma'am, please.
I don't want to listen to anything. Even I don't want to see your face.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, forgive me,
Yes,
ma'am.
You called me?
Have you informed the police?
Yes, ma'am.
Police? No, ma'am. No, ma'am, please, ma'am, this is the last time.
Yes,
Ma'am, please
Mr.
forgive me,
Manish, I
ma'am,
have
please.
decided that you need to be taught a lesson.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, forgive me, ma'am.
At any moment.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, this is the last time, ma'am. Please, ma'am, forgive me, ma'am. Ma'am, please, ma'am.
Hello.
Hey, who are you? What have you done?
I have not done anything. What are you saying? I don't know anything.
He has committed a crime.
Crime? No, no, no.
Hey, wait. I think I have seen you somewhere. Aren't you the one who had sent goons at the 5th Avenue and escaped from there?
Yes, no, 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 no.
Yes, no.
Yes, Inspector, this is Manish, the person who has sent goons to beat Gagan. I want you to arrest him for doing wrong to Gagan.
Ma'am,
I
please, ma'am.
excused him
Ma'am, please,
from
ma'am,
paying
forgive me,
back my
ma'am,
money,
please, ma'am.
but
This is the last time,
he
ma'am.
couldn't do the same with Gagan.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, forgive me, ma'am.
Do you know we give the best treatment to people like you? We serve rasgullas, jalebis, and lots of sweets. Do
Really?
you want some now?
I guess first I would like to have some biryani.
Okay.
And after that, gulab jamuns will be fine.
So, constables, give him some biryani. You want
Hey,
biryani?
why are you beating me? Okay, ma'am, please forgive me, ma'am. God help me. God help me, please.
So friend, we saw that the one who does not forgive other is not forgiven by God. Forgiving is a great virtue. God forgives our sins and gives us a chance to mend our way. But we human beings always want revenge. This is not the right thing to do. So let us learn to forgive others as we are forgiven